I think it concerns all of us when we see a human being who happens to be a journalist who extraterritorially is murdered, if the evidence bears that out, which it seems to be increasingly doing so. So I would only remind you, as the intrepid journalist that you are, that we passed, as a result of the efforts of Conservative MPs, we passed something called the Magnitsky Law. And what the Magnitsky Law does, it allows us to identify individuals in a state who have been involved in nefarious activity and sanction them. And I believe that the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia has already pinpointed some individuals who were at least partially responsible for this atrocity. And so I would just put it to the attention of you and to others that this may be a prime case for applying the Magnitsky Law.
But do you believe they should do exactly that?
I think they have to do their diligence on this, and they've already made some statements indicating that they don't find the Saudi explanation credible. So I'm just saying, if you want a next step that has been sanctioned by Parliament, our Parliament, the Magnitsky Law, which was something promoted by Conservative MPs and by Irwin Cotler time and again as well, that could be something that should be looked at.
The issue is, are we not just scapegoating some individuals in order to protect the regime? And therefore, the question, should we not go with broader sanctions?
Right. Well, I don't have the ability to answer that question because I don't know what the state of the evidence is. It seems to be changing every day, not for the better necessarily. But I just favor something that can illustrate that individuals who are involved in this can be held to account. And the Congress of the United States has a Magnitsky Law. The UK Parliament has a Magnitsky Law. And there's the other part. It's a neighborhood that is not a great neighborhood. And the fact of the matter is that Iran involves itself in state-sanctioned terrorism as well, has involved in extraterritorial behavior. And certainly we should continue sanctions against Iran. So this is a neighborhood where this is the natural state of affairs, unfortunately.